Hey botany babes and botany bros, I'm Sophia, also known as the propagator, and today I'm going to show you how I repotted this snake plant. I got this little mug from the Dungeons and Dragons movie premiere, so that's pretty cool, and this is how it turned out. And in the next part, you'll get to see how I did it. Since we don't know for sure whether or not we're going to need to give this plant a bigger pot yet, I'm going to have two pots set aside. One that's the same size as this one, and one that's bigger, so that way once I do get in there and can pull the soil out, I have a pot ready no matter what the circumstance is. If I wasn't repotting this one for a friend, I would probably put it in this black one because one, it's bigger than the pot it's already in, and two, if you look in there, you can see that there's about a few inches around the rim, and that should give it enough room to grow, and it should be good in this size pot for about a year, year and a half. Maybe even longer. But since I'm repotting it for a friend, I'm gonna put it into a kind of a special mug for them, in this cool little Dungeons and Dragons mug for them. And this one doesn't have a drainage hole, which I don't normally recommend, but since I'm giving it to a friend, I'm gonna tell them about the watering schedule it will need since it doesn't have the drainage hole and kind of things to look out for. In general, I don't really recommend it, but I think it'll look really cute inside this pot, so. I'm really happy about how this turned out. I'm hoping that it lives in here and thrives, but we'll see. Oh, not much. Oh, cool. You can kind of, I don't know if you guys can see that, but you can see the water drip down. It's really neat, actually. The soil kind of went down a little bit. It didn't really put much like holes, but it did go down just a bit. I'm okay with that soil level, but if you're not okay with that soil level, or if it like went down dramatically, like to like here, I would definitely top it off. But I'm good with that level, and I can see some water kind of on the bottom of it. So I'm just gonna, I think, leave that guy. I think this one's also set, and I hope my friend likes it.